Stop losing customers because of low quality phone chargers. Start selling Techpro products from Right Distribution. High quality, fast charging tech that gives you high profit margins. Keep your customers happy and your profits high. Be smart, sell Techpro. This Techpro countertop display has an attractive design and very compact size for busy retail stores like convenience stores, gas stations, grocery stores, hotel gift shops, phone repair shops, and college school stores. Look at the attention-grabbing premium bold packaging. It's packed with 8 fast-selling essential items that your customers actually need. No more dead stock. It comes in 2 variants, 40 unit and 70 unit. Now when your package arrives, this is what it looks like. Just a few quick easy cuts. And as you start to open the box, you notice the display is inside, pretty much pre-assembled. All you have to do is grab it and start to lift it right out. And you can see this is pretty much ready to go right out of the box. And last but not least is going to be the top part of the display. Just place that into the top with the 2 notches. And the display is primarily set up. Now you will notice one small brown box down here. This is all of the individual earbuds. Since they're slightly smaller than these other packages, we pre-package them in here so nothing gets shipped during transport. But once you get those unboxed and set up, your display is now ready to go out of the box to the counter in under a few minutes. This is our Techpro 20-watt dual-port wall charger. It's modern fast charging, equipped with a PD 2.0 USB-C power delivery port for the latest phones and tablets, and a USB-A quick charge 3.0 port for older devices. Its compact size feels great in hand and is loved by customers compared to other bulky adapters. The packaging is designed to sell itself. It's professional, it's bold, and just the right size. If you want a wall charger that sells fast and doesn't get returned, this is it. This is our Techpro 60-watt USB-C to USB-C braided cable, 3.3 feet long, which works with the latest Androids and iPhones. And the first thing you'll notice is the OD 4.0 thickness. Most cables on the market are thin and flimsy. This is a heavy-duty reinforced braided cable built for high-speed power delivery. It features a longer, sturdy head designed for better grip, so your customers aren't fumbling or breaking the connector when plugging it in or out. Plus, every cable comes with a built-in Velcro organizer to keep things tidy. It comes in 4 models: USB Type-C for older Android devices, USB Lightning for older iPhones, USB-C to C for latest Androids and iPhones, and USB-C to Lightning for previous generations of iPhones. They also come in lengths of 3, 6, and 10 feet. When a customer holds this in your store, they can feel the quality immediately. It's a premium essential that eliminates cheap cable complaints and keeps your profit margins high. This is our Techpro 20-watt dual-port fast charger. It features 20-watt USB-C power delivery and USB-A quick charge 3.0. For your customers on the road, this is a lifesaver. It's got a premium carbon fiber finish that looks expensive and delivers the high margins you need. Most car chargers feel like basic cheap plastic. This one has texture and the build quality that prevents returns. Packaged in an attractive packaging, it's a 10-second sell at any gas station, truck stop, or convenience counter, bringing more profits in your pocket. USB-C is the new standard for all electronic devices. Every store needs a reliable pair of USB-C earbuds. These are plug and play for the latest iPhones and Androids. No adapters needed. This comes in 2 models, USB-C and Lightning for older iPhones. They feature built-in mic and volume control with a crystal clear digital output. Fits well in your ear without hurting. The packaging is clear, slim, bold, and takes up minimal space in the display. And when your customers are looking for a quick, high-quality replacement for their headphones, this is the most reliable solution you can give them. Taylor, looking for a compact, attractive countertop display with high-quality phone chargers that come fully assembled and ready to sell? This is your best all-in-one solution. Ship fast from Fort Worth, Texas.